this girl.
Yes.
We're walking around.
She said she's here to take a problem again.
This is where we're at.
Yes. Smile up here. Yeah, girl. All the way up, I'm going to put your hand in the ear. All the way up, I'm going to stop your drink, put your hand in the ear. We don't say no weapon can't farm against you, but no weapon will farm. Shall not prosper. Next in line, we have yes, we're going. Margaret going. Fight on the top position for 2016. All courtesy of Jamaican National Barber Beauty Battle. Next in line, we have the lady with the
and also great for a twist out. It's also moisturizing. We have a deep conditioner. We also have a leave-in conditioner and moisturizer. Cold press castor oil, your cold press castor oil, and our cold press coconut oil. We also have coconut oil for consumption. And coffee soap, spirulina soap, which is anti-aging and it's very moisturizing. It also eliminates acne and help with eczema and other conditions.
Some girl on the back with them ear or back and it's a JPS. Yes, my girls pay your back, NWC. All the girls say, I'm a back pay them for the records, so you see them. Yeah, you ready?
No, we distribute. It's like $1,500 in stores.
Next in line is a lady with this lovely blue. The hair she got from cherries and the blue spray too.
Do it for the YouTube. Marie as always representing.
Right, that song. 5 at the part. Yes. Yes. Tell them. All the ladies come on stage and make a give them a picture. Ladies, you have a minute left, alright? Come. Keep on competing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So ladies, sometimes if you look at nice cream like yeah. My God, just a look. See if we can find somebody. For the good body man will come out a fair place, we can't bother them bad. And and what medium did you use to get this? You're talking about the response to you. I'll elaborate on it. LBA, LNG, Kareem, Lammy, Tea and Carpet Solid, Fresh from Buckingham Palace, Queenie in all her jewelry, and Solid, Kareem, Lammy, and Solid. Fan away, fan away. Kareem, accept you, my dear. I'm very well, thank you. Talk to me about this particular look that you created for us today. Well, pretty much she is an 1800 regular. As you can see, she's not really clothes like a regular. You know, so like, I decided to go a little different and give her to, you know, show the thing going on, and she's very push, so it's like such kind of 1800 kind of video. Yeah. So it's like 1800 this is when we kind of cut. Our uptown moments. What's such? Oh, so like 1800 which is daydreams. On French name. Yeah. Oh, okay. And talk to me about what you use, the products, to achieve this goal. I use a lot of products. I use Post Office, City Color, how are you? Talk to me about this little Tommy. Also, the beauty on our cheek suggests to be represented this afternoon. Nicola Johnson, good afternoon to you. How are you doing today? Alright, talk to me about your look and of course how you achieved this particular look today. As you know, back in the day, I was dressed and having a skinny dress. So my model journey is wearing a lovely Afro-American dress and this is security connecting us about academic. So sipping tea, no compliment versus sipping tea. Talk to me about her lips because I noticed that you didn't use a regular technique. Is that a particular style or way to achieve lip? Oh, so you're
guys, so I'm back home. I hope you guys enjoy seeing a snippet of the JN Barbers versus Beauty battle. I really enjoyed it. I wish I entered, but didn't have the time to, but hopefully next year I'll be in there doing my thing. And I want to say congratulations to Shafawa. You go, girl. Yes, so bye guys. See you next vlog, whenever that is.